Hi, Elaine here with WTI. What's your favorite type of furniture? Well, mine is the Ottoman, and I had one here by GLAXYFUR, and I just love it. It's so adorable. This Ottoman was easy to assemble. It didn't take me but about 20 minutes. And what I liked about it, it had something a little extra, those little teeny soft round pieces that go on the bottom so that the legs of your furniture don't scratch your floor. And I appreciate that because I have wooden floors. This ottoman is so spacious. It takes all of our blankets that we have in the living room, and I can even sit on it. It's so sturdy. It is the perfect size for our living room. It fits right next to our couch. We could use it for our footrests and even extra seating when we have people over. So if you love ottomans like I do, I've had one in every place I've lived, then try this one by GLAXYFUR. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.